Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a video on some of the face masks that I recently purchased from Victoria's Secret. I hadn't tried any of their face masks before. I usually just go to Walmart or Target and I just try them. I just became a recent fan of face masks within the past year because I realized that every time I would wear makeup, even if it was high end or not high quality end, I still would have like breakouts or I would get a bump here or there. So I read online that face mask actually helps with that. So I decided to try a few. Some of them were better than others, but I came across a great sale at Victoria's Secret. So if you're looking for some sheet masks just to try out just to see if it works for your face, then go ahead and head over to Victoria's Secret because they are having a sale right now. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but yeah. So the one that I tried last night was this About Last Night face mask. And I just wanted to try it because it has blueberry in it. And I'm like such a big fan of the smell of blueberries. So it's just fake it till you wake up with blueberry. And I decided not to put any makeup on. I do have like lip gloss on or whatever. But I didn't put any makeup on. And my face is looking like it's glowing this morning. So this is definitely a yay for me. And this one is if you have a hangover and it just says mask plus coffee, I got this. And I like that they all have their own little beauty entails on them. So this is the one that I used last night and I absolutely loved it. And they're originally $5, which isn't too bad for a Victoria's Secret face mask because I usually spend between like $3 and $4. So yeah, so this one is a really good one. The next one that I purchased was this Let's Pre-Glam face mask, and it just says ready, set, get glam, and go party. This is one, it just says it has a reputation of a super skin conditioner. So this is one that I would be using tonight. It's just a pre-glam before you put on your makeup. And so this one is really good for me to try because like I said, whenever I put on makeup, I usually break out afterwards. Not a huge breakout, but I do notice, you know, 1 or 2 bumps here or there. And I'm thinking that even when I wash my face afterwards, I still get them. I'm thinking that it has a lot to do just like with the oils of it. So hopefully this one will help tonight. And I'll probably do an updated video on how all of these work out. The next one that I got was this Now and Zen face mask right there. And this is a Namaste Cool and Calm with Aloe. And it just says spiky on the outside, ultimate soother on the inside. And this is just for like a gray complexion. So I'm guessing if you have any dark spots or anything like that, then this one would be a good one to try. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's like super bright in here today. So I'm looking forward to trying this one because it has aloe in it. And usually with aloe, it makes your skin feel just like brand new and just cooling. So I really like the cooling sensation of aloe vera. So I'm guessing that this is how this one is going to feel. So I actually got 3 of these. All the rest of them I got 2 of. And actually I got 3 of the blueberry too because I wanted to try it before I actually spoke on these before the video. Because some of them, like I said, don't turn out to be so great all the time. And then I have the Hit Reset. And this is the face mask. It says, everyone knows cucumber is a calming fix. Perfect for faces and salads. I think that's so cute. So this one is to just recharge, replenish, and then slay all day. So I guess this is like if you've been out and, you know, in the summertime when you want to just go back home and just refresh, you just go ahead and try this one. And this one has cucumber in it. So I'm guessing it's going to smell amazing because I absolutely love the smell of face wash, body wash, anything with cucumber in it. It's just like a refreshing smell and a refreshing taste. So that's why I guess they say and salads. So I'm guessing that this one is going to be a really good one. So I cannot wait to try it. And the application process is you just wash your face completely. And then you unfold the mask and, you know, you set it on your face and just let it sit for 15 minutes. You just remove the mask and just massage any of the excess product into your skin. And then you're just like good to go. So it's a really easy process. If you have 15 minutes, like these are the way to go. So I'm looking forward to trying this on a day when I do something during the day and then I get ready for the nighttime and I'm like in a rush and I just want to make sure that my face is looking good and not all sweated out and sweaty. You know how you can look after a day in the sun. So I'm looking forward to trying this one, especially since it has a cucumber in it. And then last but not least, I would have gotten 2 of these as well, but it was only 1 left because probably because of what all it says. This one is the Spa Sesh, and this is the hottest spas are infusing sea minerals into their treatment. So this is just a refreshing feeling face mask, and it just says it has sea minerals in it. So this is one that I would use at night after I get out the shower. So I'm kind of bummed that there was only one left, but I'll probably try again if the sale is still going to get another one if I like it. So yeah, these are all of the face masks that I decided to purchase from Victoria's Secret. Again, they're having a sale right now. So if you're looking for some inexpensive ones, or if you've just been, you know, on the fence as to whether to try them out or not, now would be the great time to try them out because from my experience last night, I think it feels amazing. I didn't even have to put on any moisturizer, which I am going to do before I head out into the sun today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and hit the notification bell and subscribe. Videos will be up every week. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.